Hey everybody, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. Welcome to my channel. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a mask that you do not even have to sew. No hand sewing, no machine sewing, and it literally takes about 30 seconds to make this. All right, maybe a minute. So I recently uploaded this video on how to sew this really easy 3-minute mask, but a lot of you were asking how, in the comment section, you were leaving a comment on how to do a no-sew mask because some of you don't have sewing machines or you don't know how to hand sew. So I wanted to provide that information for you. Now remember, the mask that I'm going to be doing is not a fully protective mask. It's great for if you're working and you have some dust particles that you need to keep out of your mouth and nose. This is not a mask that's going to completely get rid of any viruses or anything like that, but it is a first layer of protection. Okay guys, are you ready to get started? So all you need are two simple ingredients. You can use a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, new, whatever you want. And we also need about 30 inches, which is a little over 2 feet of elastic, or if you don't have elastic around, you can use ribbon or whatever you want. If you're going to use ribbon, you might want to cut it to about 40 inches so you have a little bit extra length, and you need 2 of those pieces. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut your t-shirt from the edge, and we're going to cut it straight as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. So it's going to look kind of like that. It's a little lopsided, but that's okay, because what we're going to be doing is step number 2. So we're going to take the elastic or the ribbon on one side, just like this. Okay, and then we're going to make a knot about 2 inches away, and you can just literally loop this around and pull it through. Okay, so that's your first side of your mask. And then here's your second side. Doing the same thing, making sure that's even, looping it around, leaving about 2 inches. I'm all about like no nonsense, get things done fairly quickly. And there is your mask, as easy as that. You can tie this around your neck, your head, just like this. This is the top part, and then this is the bottom part. So this would go around your head like this. Just make sure it's on the seam right here. And that's it. So this will go around your face, as you can see in my thumbnail, and that's your mask. Super easy, and at least it's a first line of defense. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share it if someone needs this information, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I help creators earn money from their hobby or craft, and I would love to help you start to make money from your hobby or craft. All right, guys, take care and be safe.